Hi everybody, Susan Odell here, Friday Thoughts. Hope everybody's having a great week. So I'm at my daughter's horse competition again, and I thought I would set the shot up for a pretty important reason. There's like a bunch of international flags in the background. It's part of my talk track today. So first and foremost, it's been a fun week sharing all the testimonials for successful change on LinkedIn, and just expressing gratitude again to everybody who has provided a testimonial, and there's a few more to go before the book is released on Tuesday. So thanks for your feedback and your comments and the pre-orders. The last one, pretty cool, to be in the top 4 with Jeffrey Moore and Stephen Covey. It's crazy actually, but rewarding. And so my Friday thought today is simply that it's always about the long game. And if the things you're doing and actually investing your time in today, like this afternoon, this hour, aren't contributing to the long game, then why are you doing it? So part of the long game for me was writing the book, right? So a 3.5-year journey to today is to help people know that I have experience and maybe establish a little bit of trust before they even know me. Unlike my testimonial supporters who've known me for years and experienced what I do, they trust me through experience. It's really hard to expect somebody who doesn't know you to trust you. And so that's a big part of why I wrote the book, to help people based on the content of the book, but also to open doors and establish trust for people who don't know me. So with that in mind, what I also wanted to share is, okay, what is it that I'm doing? How am I helping people? There's really a few models of engagement. One is mentorship. So if you yourself are a leader looking to grow revenue or grow profitability through operational excellence and transformational change of the business, of the operation to drive those metrics, that's one, mentorship, which can be done on a really fractional basis as required. But not mentorship is not coaching. It's literally practical application of my business expertise and technology across operations, practical. We can dig into the details because I've done it, which is very different than coaching. Secondly is business review. So if you as an organization or as a board want a third-party review of the business from a revenue growth and profitability perspective, I have a framework and an established fixed cost model for that. Team workshop, if your leadership team needs somebody third-party, again, with a lot of experience that can come in and work with the team to kind of facilitate a transparent conversation to move things forward. I'm definitely quite experienced in that, and definitely there's no situation that I'm afraid of walking into. Motivation as well, right? So if you need help to just get your people jazzed that change is possible, that transformation is possible, whether that's keynote speaking or just speaking directly to a team or an individual, I'm available for that as well. And then, the other category is, straightforward advisory that you're all used to from consultants, but the book is a differentiator in terms of giving you proof points of my experience as an advisor. So I'm open for business. I was fortunate enough to have clients join and leverage me for their improvements right out of the gate, which is fantastic. And the reason I wanted to bring up the flags is the majority of my career has been international, predominantly in the US, but also in Europe and Asia. And so what I do is not limited to the place that I call home, which is Canada. So yeah, let's go. Let's get it done. Okay, so that's my thought of the day is it's always about the long game, and my testimonial supporters, some of them more than 20 years that we've been engaged, are providing testimonials now because of the long game relationship that we've built and the results I've been able to help them drive. And 3.5 years later, a kernel of an idea leads to a book that will, for years to come, be a way of establishing trust and credibility around the world. So it's always got to be about the long game, or don't waste your time, personally or professionally. Okay, Song of the Week, no clue. It'll be down below as usual. Have a great weekend. And you can buy everything on Amazon, the hardcover, the paperback, and Kindle's available for pre-order, but then you'll be able to buy everything else starting next week. And that's it. I'll see you later. Have a great weekend.